In this video, I'm going to show you how to save Krita animation as video. So the first thing you have to do, you want to open up the animation timeline and you want to create an animation. Now I'm assuming you actually have done this already if you want to save it now. So to actually save it as a video, you want to go to the top left and click on File, and here you want to click on Render Animation. When you do this here, you want to uncheck Export as Image Sequence and you want to check Export as Video. So just like this, okay? Then here you can go and select the width, height, FPS, etc. And the most important part here is when it comes to render as, you want to select, of course, a video format. So you could do this one over here, or you could just do the simple MP4, which I'm going to do right now. Then you have to select the location. I'm going to click on here, and I'm actually going to go to my downloads folder, and I'm going to name this one untitled123.mp4. Then click on save. You can name it whatever, of course, and then just click on OK. And then it's going to start saving your frames, etc. And as you can see here, it's currently creating the MP4 file for me. And if you have like a lot of frames, it's going to take a few minutes, but for me, it just took a few seconds, as you were able to see. And now essentially inside my downloads folder, I do have the MP4, which is basically the video I saved from the Krita animation. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.